Welcome back. We have Brandy Cassingham, who is the new Chief Nursing Officer at Memorial Care Saddleback Medical Center with us, who's going to tell us about a distinction award that the Saddleback Medical Center just got.
Yes, thank you for having me. I appreciate
You're welcome. You're welcome. So you're the new Chief Nursing Officer. What does that mean?
Yes, so the Chief Nursing Officer is responsible for all of the nursing departments and also some of the other patient care departments like respiratory therapy, cardiac rehab. My background comes from UCLA, where I started 15 years ago in the nursing profession and started off in a cardiac telemetry unit. And then while I was there, had a passion for nursing leadership as a charge nurse and went back to school and earned my master's in nursing administration.
Oh, wow. Yeah. And charge nurses, that is a tough job.
Yes, it is a tough job.
You have so many hats.
Yes, yes.
How many years did you do that?
I was there for about 5-6 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
How was your stress level with that one?
Oh, well, you find new coping skills every day.
Exactly. And what did you do after that?
So after that, while I was earning my master's, I was introduced to Memorial Care through the system COO, Tammy Brailsford, and did an internship and developed a system-wide nursing leadership academy, which helps us create a pipeline for new nurse leaders and create that succession planning. And then came on board at Saddleback as a program director for professional practice. And then I've been there the last 10 years.
Wow.
It's been a great journey.
It sounds like it's been very challenging, and here you are now heading this up, so congratulations.
Thank you.
And let's talk a little bit about the magnet designated hospital. What does that actually mean?
Sure. So magnet designation is kind of a funny term, but it started from the American Nurses Credentialing Center, and it's the most prestigious, highest award any healthcare organization can receive for nursing excellence. And what that means in layman's terms is that magnet facilities outperform national benchmarks on quality measures, patient satisfaction measures, and nursing satisfaction measures. So patients know when they go to a magnet designated hospital, they're going to receive the highest quality of care.
Yeah. And so is that particular hospital, I mean, do you only get one a year, or how does that work?
Yeah, good question. So it's a journey for sure. We actually started our journey in 2010, and you create the business case and go to your board of directors for why is this important for our organization, and because it definitely is an investment. And over the last 4 or 5 years, you are putting infrastructure into place to submit your application. And then also after you do your application, they come on site for a 3-day survey. So the ANCC sends 3 surveyors, which are all CNOs at other organizations. And they come and talk to your bedside nurses, your physicians. They speak to the leadership teams and the multidisciplinary team, and they basically want to know if you're walking the talk. If what you submitted in your application is really what you show in your patient outcomes and in your nurse engagement. And so after you submit your application, they do the site survey, then you get the call that says, yes, we were magnet designated, and then your journey continues because to be redesignated, you have to go through this process again in 4 years. So it's a continual making sure that you're continually improving, because also the magnets requirements, the components, they change because as the benchmarks keep rising and the tide keeps rising across the nation, you have to make sure you're keeping up with that.
And the folks that come on site, do they ever interview the patients?
Yes, they definitely can. And they also put out a notice to the public to see if they have any public comment about the facility.
Like a survey type thing?
Yes. Yeah, and they'll make themselves available for the public or any other physicians to come in and talk.
Yeah. Now, I think you said that only one hospital a year gets it. Is it across the nation?
No, so in the United States, about 8% of hospitals, which equates to about 475 hospitals, are magnet designated. So very small percentage, because it's really it's really quite an achievement to achieve this distinction.
Right.
And only 34 of those 475 are in California.
Okay.
And I'm really proud to say that 4 of those 34 are Memorial Care hospitals.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah,
That's
thank you.
wonderful.
Yeah.
And what does it really mean for the patients? By having
Yeah.
that particular distinction. I mean, obviously, nursing care is here. What are
Yes.
some of the other things?
So patients know when they come to a magnet designated facility that facility is going to have lower fall rates.
Oh.
They're going to have lower hospital-acquired pressure injuries.
Okay.
They're going to have lower infection rates, either from their surgery or from having a Foley catheter or their IV site.
Right.
They know that they're going to have great quality care, that's safe, right? Because we hear a lot
Right.
in healthcare
Right.
that makes us a little unnerved, and they know that their nurses are going to give them a plan of care that's compassionate, individualized, because the nurses are engaged.
Right.
And they are part of making the improvements and making sure that we drive our patient outcomes.
Right,
Yeah.
and they're the most, they're firsthand, the ones that
Yes.
check on a regular basis. Well,
Yeah.
thank you and congratulations. It was very nice to hear about this, and
Great.
hopefully we'll have you back again to tell us more.
Sounds good. Thank you so much,
Oh,
Lisa.
You're welcome.
Okay.
And if you would like more information, you can look on our screen, and that would be the memorialcare.org/Saddleback. We'll be right back after this.